Welcome back to our channel. Today I bring you the most elegant and trendy DIY project that you can make when you are bored or even for your small businesses. This is the organza scrunchie. Today we have a special treat for you all. We will be showing you how you can make an organza scrunchie that can add a touch of elegance to your hairstyle. So let's get started. Organza fabric is a fantastic choice for creating scrunchies because of its sheer and lightweighted nature. Made from a crisp and transparent synthetic material, organza adds a touch of elegance. Whether you are wearing it casually or for a special occasion, an organza scrunchie will instantly elevate your hairstyle and make you stand out from the crowd. Here I have chosen this fabric. This is pastel color fabric and another one is rainbow kind of fabric, like rainbow color fabric. Both are organza fabric and sheer in nature. You know what? Pastel color have an undeniable charm that instantly captivate the eye. When it comes to fabric, pastel color add a soft and dreamy touch to any project. So I have chosen these fabric for making my scrunchie because I like colorful scrunchies and also I prefer pastel colors. These are the two fabric that I have chosen and I have bought it from local market. I got it for rupees like 50 or 60, somewhere between 50 to 60. And you can also explore your local market for fabrics. Guys, Scrunchy has been making a big comeback in the world of fashion. So say goodbye to the boring hair tie and embrace the trendy and comfortable world of scrunchies. So let's get started. I also took this fabric. It has a print of moorpunk, a feather of peacock, which is quite elegant and beautiful, but because we are making scrunchies the pattern will disappear because you know how the scrunchie is made. So I'm just showing you the fabric because the fabric is so pretty and beautiful. The fabric is so beautiful. You can also use these kind of fabrics and colors. Just for your information, I bought all these fabric for like 40 to 60 rupees, somewhere between 40 to 60 from local market. You can also explore your markets, local markets for these fabric. Even you can make scrunchie from satin clothes and cotton clothes. It's depend on you. I just showed you the fabric that I bought and the prices also. So let's get started and make some scrunchies. I will be making two scrunchies, one from the rainbow color fabric and second one from the pastel color fabric. Material and tools that we need for making scrunchie. First is scissors. Second is elastic band. I bought this much for rupees 5. You can buy it from local shop. I also bought it from local shop. This much I got for rupees 5. Next thing you need a fabric. This is a sheer organza fabric and amazing tape. You will also need a needle with thread in matching color. You can find all these supplies at your local craft store. Next, let's start by cutting a long strip of organza fabric. The length of the strip will depend on how big you want your scrunchie to be. A good rule of thumb is to make it about 4 times the length of your elastic. I have put down the measuring that I took and I was making medium size scrunchie. So according to your choice, make this scrunchie fabric. Cut the long strip of organza fabric. Here I am marking the fabric, like I have put the size that I have took somewhere on the screen. After we cut the fabric, now it's time to sew it for making scrunchies. There are two ways you can sew your scrunchie. First, you can use needle and thread, matching thread, or you can use sewing machine. For this is the first method you can use. Just join the ends and lengthwise sew it. Insert the elastic and you have to use needle and matching color to sew the end. This is the first way, but I used another way. Here it is. Here is the fabric that I cut it from this pastel color fabric. Now first you need to join the ends together, like you have to sew the ends together. I use the sewing machine like this. Sew the ends. The next part is little tricky, but first you have to sew these ends together. Watch the next part very carefully. It is a little bit tricky but not very difficult to do. See, when you sew it together, you have to insert the first part like this and second end like this. Now you have to sew the second part like this. You have to leave some part like 3-4 centimeters from where you will insert your elastic. I hope this is not that tricky. See, please see it again. You have to sew this part only. The inner one you have to fold it like this and sew the outer part like this. Yes, this one you have to sew it together. And when you will sew it, you will get a tube like this, and from the opening that we left like for 3-4 centimeters, we have to left this opening and upside down the fabric tube like this. This is the wrong side, and from here you can pull the right side. Now the fabric tube is inside out. There will be some left like 3-4 centimeter opening from where we have to insert our elastic. See, the tube is like inside out for elastic. This is the first color that I have made, and this is the second rainbow color scrunchie. You can also iron the fabric. Here is the elastic. I have taken elastic this much centimeter. I have put down somewhere on the screen. This one was the pastel color fabric. This is the elastic. Now you have to insert a safety pin in the elastic just like this. At one end of the elastic, insert the safety pin, and as a guide from the opening, you have to insert the elastic using this safety pin. Now your scrunchie is taking its shape. You just have to tie both the ends of the elastic and hide it somewhere in the scrunchie. And for the opening of the fabric, you have to sew it together using a needle. Like this, you can hide your elastic. And you can also double layer the organza scrunchie, but I liked it this way, so I didn't use any lining or cover. So I just sew the opening. Here your scrunchie is ready. Beautiful and pretty organza scrunchie. You can tie it on your hairs, also use it, you can wear it on your hand. This one is the colorful one. I am using the same technique for making the scrunchie. This is must buy product from small businesses. You can also start a small business of scrunchie on Instagram stores, on WhatsApp business, anywhere you want, because scrunchies are affordable, adorable, and people like to buy scrunchies. I made the second one here. Just tie both the ends together, hide it somewhere. Here your two scrunchies are ready. I hope you like this video. This is something different for my channel, but I hope you enjoy my video, and hope to see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye bye, goodbye. Keep following your dreams and believe in yourself.